Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore how to level up your habits and self-care to improve daily life. If you feel overwhelmed by maintaining multiple habits at once and don't know where to start, don't worry. I will share simple yet effective tips to help you prioritize and focus on the most important habits. Get ready to learn how to make your life better and more balanced by choosing the right habits and practicing them consistently. The first habit to consider is physical health. Maintaining your physical well-being is crucial, as it forms the foundation that influences everything else: your energy, emotions, motivation, and more. Identify one habit that would significantly enhance your physical health and be as specific as possible. If you aim to improve your diet, you can create a mantra to guide your food choices, such as eat fruits every day or include vegetables in every meal. Alternatively, you can challenge yourself to establish a regular exercise routine by engaging in activities you enjoy and can sustain, like taking a daily walk, going for a run. Minimize obstacles to make it as simple and easy as possible to adhere to your habits, increasing the likelihood of staying committed. An additional tip is to incorporate a motivating element into your workouts to make them more enjoyable. For instance, I like to combine walking with listening to an audiobook. It makes my walks more engaging, allowing me to nurture both my body and mind simultaneously. If you're looking for an audiobook, I highly recommend Atomic Habits by James Clear. It offers practical strategies for forming good habits, breaking bad ones, and mastering the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. The second focus is mental health. By mental health, I mean the well-being of your inner self, encompassing your emotional, psychological, and spiritual states. It's essentially self-care for your soul, involving activities that help nurture and sustain your inner peace and balance. What's one habit you can adopt that would have the most positive impact on your mental well-being? Consider the activities that make you feel complete, centered, and at ease. Great examples include practicing mindfulness, engaging in creative activities like painting, read a new book, write DA, or relaxing massage. Reflect on which habit would make you feel your best and that you could easily commit to daily. I recommend establishing a daily routine because it's crucial to prioritize our emotional, psychological, and spiritual health. These aspects are vital and shouldn't be neglected. Just as with physical health, caring for your mental health lays a strong foundation for all aspects of life. Choose habits that connect you with your inner self, build resilience, and boost intuition. It's about nurturing the essential, invisible aspects that lead to a happier and more fulfilling life. Number 3 is the power of joy. Joy is a beautiful energy that gives us life. It provides us with the energy to do more and be more. When joy becomes a daily part of your life, it can significantly boost your overall sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Make it a priority to engage in activities that bring you joy each day. You deserve it. Whether it's singing your favorite song, dancing around your living room, experimenting with new recipes, playing a beloved game, tending to your garden, or engaging in volunteer work, choose what truly makes you smile. Think of these moments as essential nourishment for your spirit, helping you reconnect with the playful and imaginative side of yourself. For instance, if you're passionate about music, carve out time to immerse yourself in your favorite tracks without interruptions. If nature rejuvenates you, consider making regular visits to a local park to savor the tranquility and beauty it offers. Remember, joy is deeply personal and doesn't require grandeur or expense. It's about discovering what resonates with you and brings you genuine happiness. Number 4 is personal growth. Choose how you want to evolve and expand as an individual. Given the power of cumulative habits over time, you are defined by your repeated actions. Imagine the extent of your growth and transformation if you approach it with intention. Your habit might be practicing a musical instrument for 20 minutes a day, exploring a new language for 10 minutes daily, or acquiring a new skill such as learning to dance, learning to make crafts. Follow your curiosity and passions and discover where they take you. For instance, I recently enrolled in a drawing course to improve my painting skills and enhance my creativity. It's a delightful way for me to develop and progress in something I'm truly enthusiastic about. And final is relationships. Strong human connections and a sense of community are crucial for our well-being, providing us with a deep sense of belonging and purpose. Make it a priority to regularly engage with the people who matter most to you, whether it's through daily check-ins or weekly interactions. This might involve scheduling a weekly video chat with a friend, hosting a monthly family gathering, or sending a thoughtful text each day to someone special. Cultivating these connections is about creating bonds where you feel understood, supported, and appreciated. These relationships can be as lighthearted or as meaningful as you wish. Share your favorite music, dive into intriguing conversations, play games, or embark on new adventures together. Consider incorporating small rituals, like a regular movie night or a shared hobby, to deepen these connections and enrich your life. Now it's time to select your habits. Choose one habit in each area to commit to consistently, whether daily or weekly. As you consider your options, imagine what would happen if you adhered to this habit consistently for a year, and then pick the one with the greatest potential impact. Here are some examples. For physical health, you could say, I will exercise every day for at least 30 minutes. For mental health, it could be, I will meditate each morning for 15 minutes. For joy, I will volunteer every weekend. For relationships, I will check in with my friends every Saturday. And for personal growth, I will spend 10 minutes every evening practicing a new language. So, what new habits did you get inspired to set today? Write a comment below. I'm eager to hear about your new goals. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on cultivating habits and designing your ideal life. Sending you all my best, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video. Take care.